Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone meets the essentials. Android 9 or newer gives the smoothest experience. Install a trusted gesture app and, if required, a system helper that grants accessibility or ADB permissions. This is how the gestures integrate with Android. Once done, enable developer options to allow ADB or tweak animation speeds for responsiveness. Make sure to back up launcher and home settings first so you can restore if anything changes unexpectedly. This prevents lost layouts. You now grant the app the permissions it needs. Accessibility for direct control or ADB for deeper system features. The app will guide you through prompts. Next, map the gestures. Assign swipe up for home, swipe from sides for back, and long swipe for app switcher, making sure zones don't overlap with navbar or keyboard. Then fine-tune sensitivity and animation speed to match iPhone feel. Lower animation durations and slightly higher sensitivity produce the characteristic snappy response. You finish by rigorously testing gestures in messaging, browser, and launcher. Check for conflicts and add troublesome apps to the excluded list so gestures don't interfere. If gestures stop responding, clear the gesture app cache, regrant permissions, or rerun the ADB helper script. Many issues come from revoked accessibility rights. Finally, reboot your device after major changes. This often stabilizes services and completes permission handshakes so gestures operate consistently, like on an iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.